Introducing the Oasis 2700 and 2800 patio shades from Insolroll. Durable, exterior-grade shades that provide cool, reliable comfort for your outdoor space, maximizing your time outside. To ensure long-lasting performance, here are a few important tips for proper use and maintenance. Avoid operating the shade in freezing temperatures. Ice or snow can accumulate in the mechanisms or tracks, potentially causing the shade to jam. Do not leave the shade down during windy conditions or when you're away from home. Strong wind gusts may cause damage to the shade. Keep the shade and tracks clear of obstructions such as patio furniture, toys, bird and insect nests, and snow or ice buildup. Some noise is normal over time, especially if the shade hasn't been used in a while. Running it up and down a few times can help to reduce noise, though some slight noise is expected. Avoid using lubricants like silicone spray or WD-40. Instead, we recommend occasionally rinsing the tracks with a garden hose to clean. Side cables may loosen over time. You can view our troubleshooting videos on our website for a tutorial, or schedule a service call and we'd be happy to help. We're excited for you to enjoy your new Oasis patio shade. Your outdoor space just got a stylish upgrade.